Okay, come back here.
Why? I'm gonna ride my bike.
Oh, okay. Here we go.
But we don't get on the boat.
Okay, Daddy's coming.
Can you push me?
Well, here, let's move it like this. There we go. Now you get on it.
Will you push me?
I will if I have to.
No, you don't.
Well, you got to pedal.
You don't.
Okay, well, here, just hold on. Pedal. There you go. See, Daddy doesn't even need to push you. There you go.
I'm not even falling on my hands
Nope.
or on my elbow. My foot got off.
It did, huh?
I should not ride my bike anymore because I'm tired of it. Whoa.
Do you know how to stop? Oh, hold on.